Hey guys, how are you all doing? What's up? What's up? What's up? Alright, so I'm actually walking on the road. I'm going into Discovery Bay. I'm going to get a few things for the house and so forth. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of shopping. Not much, just a few things. So yeah, so I have my good old bag here. If you did not know, the use of black bags or scandal bags as we call it in Jamaica, um, we no longer use them. It's been banned, so we can't really carry around black bag no more. So I'm bringing this with me, so if you match it up a little bit with the attend thing, get like a swag. You have to style them. Yeah, so the sun is so freaking hot. Like, me another hot day right now. I'm meant to see me burn up, and I couldn't stand at my gate because no shade not there, so I have to walk all the way come down here. So get to the shade, and no taxi now past yet. So yeah, so that is what is going on right now. Yeah, so I'll take you to where I'm going in the bay, so you guys can see what I'm doing today. Yeah, I'm not doing anything much, so yeah, feels kind of feel dry, but I can't put nothing on my face right now because I just feel like somebody go get sweaty and sweaty if I put any product on my face, so I'm just not bother with it. Yeah. Alright, I just reached. So I have to go to the pharmacy. I'm going there first. Oh god, my belly is sweat. Please, oh my gosh. So I go to pharmacy first, and then we go to supermarket. And then my supermarket and the market they same place. So just I go stop and pick up a few vegetable items and things. Yeah. Alright, so I'm finished with that. I'm going to see if I get something in the supermarket, then something at the market. And so basically that's what I'm Look, guys, there's not much to my day on a Saturday. Today is Saturday, by the way. There's not much to my day. So, so this is just, I must say, we're here so countless times for a glass of a market. Excuse me. Sorry. So, yeah. Lord. This hat allowed my hair to look so weird. So, okay. Pick up your tissues. What else may I want? A small milk and I don't know, I have to put on a camera because I take up all of these things and can't be bothered. Yeah, so I completed that just now. I just wanted a bundle of callaloo, so I'm going to get that now. Hello, how are you? How much for your callaloo now, sir? 120? When callaloo reach 120, sir?
You want it for the 100?
Yes, come in, Timbo.
You won't get a bag though with it.
No, me alright, me good. Me have me go bag right here, so me good. But then look, you have to go throw water on them going, because they look like them dry up.
Sure.
Yeah, then look how they look. They don't look fresh.
You want callaloo? You want the callaloo?
Yeah.
You want to talk and stop.
Oh, I'm seeing the ones up in front here, so I think say, boy, they might want to look dry up.
So I'm going to say that one look like advertisement.
Eh?
But I'm going to say it show as advertisement.
Advertisement, oh. Yeah, it look like they get limpy, yes.
Do it again, Missy.
Nah, do it today. Hold on, let me fix this up. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I didn't know why it's like this. One I mean, the phone says, when you look money, they say the phone. They say, look down, I say, like, if you want magic here and one in a one here, I'm going to tell you, you can't get it. When you go to the airport, and they'll find you out that you can, you got them there, I'll be real by the phone, okay. They just go on in. You know, to trouble with that.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna get my callaloo. I've been desperately wanting some callaloo, so I get it. And now I'm going to meat shop. I'm going to get a few meat items. You know, tomorrow is Sunday. I'm going to ship. So yeah, I'm going to do with that just now. And such. This sun life is real terrible. Terrible. Sweating from all angles. This vlog will not be a long one. It will definitely not be a long one because after this I have nothing to do. I'm telling you, I'm going home. Normally when we come in here, we get like gizzards and chicken neck. So that may go order again. People here make it Thank you.
Yeah.
Bunch of weed in my head. All the good things make me feel red. A book and paper me I use, mister. Book and paper there I use, you know.
Alright, so you take my order? Okay. I would like 2 pounds of gizzard. I want waiter, yes. 2 chicken neck. That's the one.
10 pounds.
How much chicken back did it so? Neck and back? Huh? What you doing? Still chicken back? Oh, I just see it. I wonder 100 per pound for chicken back?
That's a good Samaritan.
Alright. 2, 3, 4, no, 4, 5, 6. Alright, I want 2 pounds of mixed fries. How much that? You see, I can't afford it. How much that?
No. No.
Alright, $9.20 is my bill. Alright, give me that then. Yeah, that's it here. Them I look from weird in here.
In that kind of thing.
What thing them?
Like ordering.
Okay.
Much the magic. You can get one all-purpose here.
I'm seeing my fan. Try a fan. 20 of exchange. 9.20. 15. Alright, so I'm gonna average it. So I'm gonna go. $3, $4, $5. Oh, what is it? A turkey naked they'll give me? Nothing wrong in there if you charge me same price.
I see a price card.
I see him price? Turkey neck of 160 and chicken cereal black and chicken neck of 100 like 100.
No, one single one, please.
Alright guys, so I will be back after I have left this place. And yeah, tune back in with you guys. Alright, so I'm finished with the beach shop now. I'm going home. In the beach shop, the man asked me if me there talk to myself. So I say, yes, I never said that before. No, so I asked him if he watch YouTube. Well, everybody does, but yeah. So I'm tell him what my YouTube name is and the search for it same time. I just stand up there and wait till he search for it and thing. And so apparently I'm gonna go watch Rihanna and something, so yeah. Oh Jesus. You full?
Sorry.
I was like, alright, so I'll try my best. To reach up on my yard. Taxi full. Alright, so when I reach home then so wait, I'm not gonna tell me so this up on my face. You ain't loyal. You guys ain't loyal at all. Alright, so one taxi. So when we reach home, we talk to them. Alright guys, so I am back home and I'm telling you, this heat, it's not for me. It's not working well. It's not working well for me at all. The place is hot, man. My God. So yeah, that's what I wanted to update you guys about. I'm back home. I'm not really going to do anything right now. I'm gonna just lie down and relax because there's nothing more to do. It is now 2:15. Just gonna relax at this point. Y'all, I'm so tired. I just did a trailer video. I'm going to insert it. I'm so tired. It's the get up, get it, get up or get it. One of them challenge or whatever. It was. I like this song. It's real country and nice. But anyway, this is where I'm going to end this vlog. If you guys have not subscribed, get it together. If you guys have not subscribed as yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Leave a big fat thumbs up for this video, as well as leave a comment down below, whatever it may be, because guess what, you could be one of those lucky persons who will be shouted out in one of our videos. So today's shout out goes to drum roll please, Raymond Anderson. Yeah, he's always commenting on our videos. I'm so grateful that you take the time out, Raymond, and you comment on our videos and you like them, and you even go as far as to contact us on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you so much for showing us so much love. We really and truly do appreciate it. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Later guys, bye.